Hello friends. So in this video we will learn how to write a program to find sum of any geometric series. So what is a geometric series? If you see 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 till n it is a geometric series because 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. So if you divide the second number by first number, you will get the answer as 2. Similarly, if you divide the third number by second number, 8 divided by 4, that will also be the same. That is 2. Let's look at another example. 2, 6, 18, 54. Is this a geometric series? Yes, because here the multiple is 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54, and so on. Now let's look at the third example, which is 10 plus 30 plus 90 plus 20 270 till n. Is this a geometric series? Yes. Here the multiple is 3. 10 threes are 30, 30 threes are 90, 90 threes are 270. Similarly, 5 plus 25 plus 125 till n. Is this a geometric series? Yes. 5 fives are 25. 25 fives are 125. So here the multiple is 5. So how will we write a program for this? First we have to take the input n from the user. As we can see, the n is not given. It is the last term. Till which term we want to print this series. Till which term we want to add the numbers of the geometric series. So get the input n from the user. And now the logic will be similar to the previous videos where we learn about how to solve arithmetic series. So let's create a loop. So we need one variable which will iterate through the number of terms, through the n number of terms. So that will start from I equal to 1 and it will go till I less than equal to n. And it will increment every time by 1. So I is for iterating through the n number of terms. Now we have to iterate through the n number of terms, but we also have to add these values. So if I look at the first series, so I can do it for individual series, but let's make it general. So take the in first number, that is this first number of the series also from the user. Let's give it the variable a. So in the variable a, the first number of the series is stored. Similarly, difference. For example, here it is 2, here it is 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, here it is 3, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 3, and here it is 5. So let's take the difference also from the user. We will store the difference in the d variable. So now let me take another loop, another variable. Let's give it k. So k will start from a and I will change the semicolon to comma. Obviously it will go till n number of terms and the increment will be k will increment every time by d. For example, first it is k value is 2. Then the next value will be 2 plus 2, which is 4. No. It will increment by 2, but into 2, not plus 2. So first k value is 2. Then the next k value is 2 into 2, 4. Then the next k value will be 4 into 2, 8. Then the next will be 8 into 2, 16. Okay. So here our 2 is d. So it will be k into equal to 2. K into equal to 2 it is same as k equal to k into 2. Now, inside the loop, we will take sum. Initially, my sum will be 0. Then my sum will become sum plus k, right? 2. Initially it is 2, then 2 into 2, 4. We have to add k value till I is less than equal to n. And outside the loop, I will print the value of sum. Okay, so let's try run it with the first series. Okay, so now for the first iteration, suppose my n, the input given by user is n is 3. Let me make this. So initially, let's dry run it. So suppose the input given by the user is n is 3. Okay, till 3 terms. A is 2 and D is 2. This is the input given by user. Okay, this is my input. Now, for the first iteration, I will be 1, K will be A, and A is 2. So my 1 is less than equal to 3, right? Condition 1 less than equal to 3, that is true. So I will come inside the loop. So my sum, initially my sum was 0. So now my sum will become 0 plus k. K is what? 2. So 0 plus 2, 2. My sum will become 2. Now, for the second iteration, I will become 2 and k will become 2 into 2, which is 4. Okay, so condition is now my I is less than equal to 3. So now my condition is 2 less than equal to 3. So this condition is true. 2 is less than 3. So we will go inside the loop. Now my sum will be sum plus, earlier sum was 2, 2 plus k. K is 4. So it will become 6. Okay. So now let's go to our third iteration. Now I will become 3. K will be into 2, 4 into 2, which is 8. So now my condition is 3 is less than equal to 3. So since 3 is equal to 3, condition is true. Now my sum will become 6 plus k, which is 8, which is 14. So now let's go to our fourth iteration. I will be 4 and k will be 8 into 2, which is 16. Now my condition is 4 is less than equal to 3. Is this condition true? No. So it will be false and it will come out of the loop and it will print the sum value, which is 14. So 2 plus 4 plus 8 is 14. So this is how we are going to write our program. So let's go to our Eclipse and write this program and run it. Let me create a class, new class, sum of geometric series. I will take public static void main to auto populate the main method. Now let's take the input. First I will create scanner class object. I will import scanner class. So what all are my inputs? N value, A value, and the multiple. That is the difference. Or you can say it is the R term if I define my geometric series as A plus AR plus AR square plus AR cube, so on. First it is 2, then it is A, which is 2 into 2, R is 2, 4. Then it is 2 into 2 square, which is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. Then 2 into 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 into 8 is 16. Like that. Okay. So let's take input. First I will take the number of terms. Enter number of terms. Let's store it in a variable n. N equal to sc dot next int. Now let's take another input. Enter the first value of the series. So let's store that in the variable a. So a equal to sc dot next int. Now I want the multiple. Let's store it in R. So I will just write enter R value. Let's store it in R. So all my inputs have been taken in AR. Now let's write our logic. Create a for loop. I will start from 1 and my k will start from a. I less than equal to n. I will go on till n values and I will increment by 1 and k will increment by into 2 into the r value. Okay. And here on top we will initialize sum as 0. Let's give it int. My I value is an integer and k value as well. So sum equal to sum plus k. Outside the loop, I will print the sum value. So this is my program. Let's run it. So enter number of terms. I will enter 3. Enter the first value of the series. I will enter 2 and enter R value, which is 2 again. So you can see the sum is 14. So as we have seen earlier, the sum is supposed to be 14. So if you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.